In this video, I'm going to show you how to maximize your donation to a Donors Choose project. So to get started, we need to first understand a few things about the projects that we know at Donors Choose. When you scroll down on a project, you can see where your donation goes. And so you have your original materials, then you have the shipping, and not all projects have shipping. There's also a third-party processing fee. This is handling your um, transactions for your credit cards, and this will increase with the cost of the project. And then finally, there is this fulfillment, labor, and materials. This is all Donors Choose. So Donors Choose is already taking a $30 fee for every project that is posted. In addition to that, so that is added into your total cost of the project. In addition to that, they will add an additional 15% on to the cost of any project. So if I take this total project cost here and I divide that by 0.85, that will give me the total cost of the project. So that means for every $100 you donate, $15 will go to Donors Choose, and the rest will go towards the project. And that rest going towards the project is included filling in this $30 fee that Donors Choose has already embedded into the cost. So how can you go and alter the amount that you donate? This is really simple. What you do is when you choose your classroom project and choose what you're going to go and give, say you want to give $100, you're going to click the Give to this classroom button. Then you're going to go and see the screen and click the Checkout Now. And don't worry, I'm going to walk you through this on the Donors Choose site as well, but I want you to be familiar with what I'm talking about first. Once you're done with that, you're going to go and it's going to take you to the final page um, of where you're actually filling out all the credit card information or gift card information that you have. And you're going to see the name of the project and you're going to see the cost that you've chosen here. And we're going to focus on this edit button here. When you click the edit button, you're able to change the amount you donate, which if you made something wrong, then obviously you want to do that, but otherwise you're keeping that the same. But what's going to be is this dedicate button. This dedicate tab allows you to change the amount that you donate to a project. And you will have three new options. So you'll have 0, 12, you can leave it at the default 15, or you can increase it to 20. If you want to maximize the amount of funds going to the actual classroom project and not going to Donors Choose, you're going to obviously choose 0. If you want to help Donors Choose out, then you can choose any of the other options, including increasing their funds. Now, if you are just doing a normal, regular classroom project, you're done. You just finish filling out the forms and you're done. However, if the classroom project has matching funds, either the whole school is always being matched or they're in a special promotion and some company and organization is matching a specific type of project, then what happens with those matching funds? Well, this really depends on where you are in funding the project. If you fully fund a project, and let's pretend that you're choosing 0% for all of this discussion just to make it easier. If you fully fund a project, what you donate is exactly matched by those matching funds. So if you choose to give $100 to the project, then the matching funds is exactly $100 to the project, and Donors Choose gets nothing. However, when you're not fully funding a project, whatever you choose, if you're choosing 100% of your funds being applied to the project and Donors Choose gets 0, so if you're saying 0 for you going to Donors Choose, 100% going to the project, but you're not completing the project, you're only partially funding it and helping it meet its goal, the default is still going to be 15% of the matching funds goes to Donors Choose. So there is a way around this if you feel comfortable and you like the teacher. What you can do is you can go to fund a project and choose to instead give that teacher a gift card. The teacher can then hold on to all of those funds until they have enough to fully fund a project, and then they will fully fund the project at 0% if they so choose, and can go and have the project fully funded with fewer funds. So I don't know what most teachers are going to do, but for me, for Project Backpack, that is what I do. So now let's see how to go about doing this for an actual project. So in an actual project, here we are, and I'm going to choose Project Backpack here. And so we're going to go and fill in our $100 and click our Give to the Classroom. We're going to check out now. And then you come to this edit button that I was talking about. And I want to show you two things. We can see how this can drop to zero. And when I do, notice my $374 that I have here for what is needed. My $374 of what is needed. When I change this, will drop because now the full funds are being applied to the project, so we don't need as much. If I save this, then we're good. Now, let's show you what happens. We needed originally 188, and it's telling us here that we now need 319. So instead, I'm going to put in 320. I'm going to overfund this project with 0% funds to show you what happens. It now tells me that I am fully funding the project, and we only needed to do 159 since there is a match. They're only taking what is needed to complete the project. So you still have what you want. So you can put in as large a number as you want, and it will automatically do the math for you if you so choose. So thank you for joining me in doing the how to maximize your donation on DonorsChoose site. Have a great day.